to talk about this piece as we are looking at the new year and in these pieces to see how are important for you and for me. And that one is choosing my new wheelchair. What I'm changing and why. So, what you love about what your current chair. Now, I have a chair that was given to me, and as a doctor and all that kind of stuff, they worked through that. And I have one, but it wasn't like we did it so that I could work and make sure that it was going to be working for all this. And it did. Um, but then I'll be going for another in 6 months to another wheelchair. So we'll talk about some pieces and do for that one. And it'll work too. Probably better. But how does it feel for you? What I changing and why? So, um, what doesn't work anymore? What doesn't shake? Where doesn't work anymore? And mine is kind of working, but I know I can be better for this. And there's a real life reason, behind what, upgrades. So, how can it be better? Real life one. And I know I'm looking at some pieces that'll work for me, and it's going to be a bit better. And I made some nieces, some sections that I have here, like from the Evos that I'm going to use, or Jazzy Airs, or is that there's two of them that I could look at. And there's another Jazzy 800. There's another one for Jazzy. So it's hard for me to say sometimes. But I think that those pieces will be good, and we can talk about it. Sorry. So for you, what I wish I knew before buying my first wheelchair. Now I had a thing, nothing. I didn't know what a wheelchair was going to be different because mine was a wheelchair, and I've done manual wheelchairs for quite a few years, and man, it's almost killed me quite a few times. But I would work and work and work and work it off at it, and it still wasn't. And the wheelchair, the doctor said, no, wait, whoa, let's talk about this because it might be a problem. So we talked about it, and they gave me a different wheelchair, and I was doing much better after that. But that's the way it goes. So, huge value, for new disabled viewers. They have ideas. So, and then there's a Dillville's trust. So I'm not able to grab this one. Build trust. Build trust on the authority. So how do you feel that one when you've been working with the authority or the doctor or someone else, the doctor and the person was helping you for your your medical needs, and what is your wheelchair that will also help with your situation. Would be great. And that is especially because I had a friend that I met, and they were very had a very problem uh, in their physical problems, and they will always be that, and they're gonna at some point it's just gonna they're gonna die. So, and someone came and gave him an old one. Well, and yeah, we'll fix one. We'll give you this one, and that was it. And that was it. It's like, wait a minute. Yeah. So for this friend, a couple of years ago, got a new one from from their insurance, and they finally gave him the right wheelchair, and they have a great one that fits, and they can get around, and it helps their health, and it's awesome. So builds trust, and that was really important for them to be okay with the authority and everybody else taking care of them. Manual and power wheelchairs, which is right for you? Yeah, I got that one. My wheelchair, my manual was killing me because I was having a problem, physical issues, and so it was. I thought this will kill me it's one of these days, and but the manual I'm trying to say here, the the what the the people, you know my doctor said we really got to look at this before we don't make your mess. so, use your lived experience. So I'm telling you right now that mine was was mess, but they were helping me later. Great evergreen content. I don't know. Great evergreen content. I don't know. I don't know about that piece, but this piece was just keeping one okay. It was keeping that it was working, which is right for you. And that was the piece that I worked really hard, and something new, something different. So here, why my wheelchair needs have changed. Can that happen to you? Here's what that means for you. Does it mean, aging? What does that feel? Aging? Have you thought of it ever? Is your aging another time that you need to look at it and say, yeah, I really need to do this. Take a look at it. And I have some things that they have me doing as one of my people, and so I'll be, even though I have aging, I'll need some work so that I'll be okay. Strength changes. How does that feel? Strength, lifestyle changes. Lifestyles. What does that feel? Oh my goodness. Lifestyles are you're fine to look at that. Mental expectance. So mental mental health needs or your mental decide on things in a mental health situation, so you can look at how you feel that way. Things I agree goose to comprise compro I don't know on his the way that you want to do your wheelchair. you know you have your way is exactly not going to be changed anyway because you like it that way. Comfort, independence, safety, against accessibility. So does that work correctly? And you're fine. So it's not going to be changed that way. It's okay. So that's okay. And right now where I'm at is comfort and independence. It helps me get around, and safety is important, and accessibility. I feel those pieces. So I'm gonna keep on go with those. Then wheelchair features that actually matter, really important ones. Truly, you know, not the fancy stuff. Doesn't have this, you know. So tilers, my tires, my tires will not are falling apart. I'll keep them together right now. So seating, and I do need to look at that. And in 6 months, and we'll talk about that. Yeah, my hate, my hate, my hate, my how I'm feeling, and I have to get my weight better. So, and I really do. And my guy was working on it and making sure that I had those pieces. So that's important. Uh, and and so I think those are pieces to look at. And you know, there's another one that's out to how uh, to really look at your wheelchairs for your need, and you should have insurance and understand what your insurance is. What is it called? You have talking to your doctor to understand that piece, and the gold content, really, really, truly. So insurance, I'll be looking at that when in my six in six sections that'll be changed. And so I need to look at all that to see make sure it'll happen. So that's really important. What would you change about your wheelchair? What would you change about your wheelchair, which is truly, truly, truly important? So think about it, ask, 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 directly to yourself, to others in many different ways, like your doctor, the people that are working on your physical needs, all that kind of stuff. So that's really important. So you gotta what would you change? And then there's build, uh, loyola, loyalty, loyalty discussions. So that's, I feel okay with these wheelchairs, but I think in six, y'all, when I told you a little bit that I was gonna change mine in July, and those will need to be changed for a couple of reasons. So that'll be important. Um, you know, so be cho- be cho- be chore. I choose what new one. So you got to look at your wheelchair, answering your wheelchair can't chances. So when one says your wheelchair, so perfect chalo follow up for you, asking me about wheelchairs, asking yourself about wheelchairs. That you would have to have the, even though there are special people out there going to do all these things with solo ideas and blah blah blah. No, where are you? How do you feel? Ask you about wheelchairs and why. So that will help you in so many different ways. So look at that. I think that in general that those pieces are important, and I think for wheelchairs will truly make you the section and the special way to make it work. You know, you know. So choosing my next wheelchair, your personal pieces that are important, uh, e- uh, then it's perfect for follow up and easy to turn into a section that'll work. You say, okay, we're going to get there. We're going to get there. And yes, I feel happy about this. So let's look at all that. And if there's something that you want to talk about, that are out there that we can talk about it later, about a new year idea, that we can throw this out and look at this in a different way. So let's do that, and we'll have it that it works a million types. And I'm hoping that for my wheelchair it's going to work this whole. How is it going to work for me? How is it going to work for you? And what difference? Is it the wheelchair? Is it for you? Is it the doctor? What is it at this point? So let's try it. And I think for the wheelchair, and for you, and for the wheelchair, and for the doctor, and how is this going to be better? Better. All right, let's think about it. And I'll see you, son, very soon.